feeling like $1 million.
The wild turkey is native to northern Mexico and the eastern United States. On that one South Park episode with Timmy, and he's like, gobbles! Oh, sorry vegans, but their meat is rich, tasty and succulent with a close texture and very little fat. You want to go on my dinner plate? Jacob, jeez. Where are you, Jacob? Hello. Hello there. Oh, hell yeah. Oh my god. Look at all those cocks.
Eat the food. Eat it all up. It's very nice.
What are you licking? It's stolen dark, everyone. Stolen dark. These ducks, they have their own bomb shelter. Do you know anything we don't? Why do you have a bomb shelter? Why? And there's supposed to be sheep here, I don't see any. Me every Monday to go to work. Hello. Hi. Oh, you don't like to be touched? Okay. Oh, I'd like to be smooth. Hello, friend. He's eating some hay. Hay! This is his Sunday dinner. So over here, I think there's going to be oh god. Am I meant to be over here? It's open and there's deer inside. Do I really want to go over here? Might attack me. He's looking quite. He's looking straight at me. Well, he was, but now he's just eating. Yes, it's open. It's meant to be open? I don't think it's meant to be open. Oh, hello. He's looking at me again. Oh, he's eating again. He just jumped over and he just escaped the pen. Oh, now he's going over there. What the hell? We've got an escaped convict. Maybe this wasn't even his pen. He's just literally gone. It's just what? Past the Silent Hill, Jesus. Wow, animals that are not in cages. Sega bass fishing, this reminds me of. Just cast the rod off there. Tiny little stream. And if you watch Captain Callum, you know I like streams. I dirtied my shoes, what a more effective way than cleaning them. Focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. Lift latch, then push gate. You mean pull. Ah, found you. I think this is as close as we can get to it. There's a bunch of baby ones up there. Oh, hello. He knows we're here, and if he tries to jump over there, well, he's gonna go splosh. The daring man. Going in. Oh. Oh gee, thanks, I didn't know. Okay, so I'm in here with it now. Be very quiet. Okay, so I'm out now, and yeah, I was gonna go up to that tree, but I didn't feel like getting stabbed by a deer. I haven't seen any people for quite a while. we should go to the front gates, they'll be locked now. Been in here for too long.